Hey everybody, bit of a surprise today. Same time as I've just put a video on in Anglia. One of the mates has come down in his. This one's 52 in it, is it Ian? 53. 52. Apparently it's got 1100 engine, it's got a bit bigger engine, it's had a few modifications. It's obviously been restored at some time. Interesting, it's got like a chrome tape on here. That's when I saw him pull up in it, I thought, oh, I've never seen one with chrome trim on, but as you can see, it's a nice thing. It takes it all over. It regularly goes out for hour drives in it, so it's perfectly usable. Looks like he's fetched his dinner. 67,000 miles it's done. It's got a few extra gauges in. It's got a water pump on as well, this one. Been modified for a water pump. It's had an headlining. But he's quite fond of it. He goes all over in it. Well, I thought, well, he rung me this morning. He's obviously seen the video I've put on. He's checked our here, so he's come over. We'll let you have a look under the bonnet. That's me just not putting enough pressure on. We'll stay in, then we're not going to cause. It's been converted to 12 volt. Well, now, I'm just looking at, I thought these were on earlier cars. But it's got a fan in it, runs on an electric fan. Obviously that'll be stat and everything. Well, I might be wrong, you know, because obviously stuff gets varied that much. Because I know they have, I've seen that cap, but I thought it were on Model Ys and stuff like that, instead of just a, no, we haven't got best of light, but I'll try and get it best I can. Yeah, I don't think that rig had probably been original, because I think they were actually Ali. I might be wrong. Put something a bit different. Got its starting handle. I've just been looking, it's about 30 odd thousand different to that one, so don't numbers, so they must have made some. So there you have it. If you like video, give us a like. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you're bound to see stuff like this, because I always get stuff like this on. So ask a question, well, a comment, and I'll give you an answer if I can. So catch you all later, and there's a look at 52 Anglia. Bye for now, take care.